Hello Year 5 and welcome to Maths. Let's go. I hope that you have found again a very quiet spot where you can concentrate away from any distractions, phones or tablets or books, and you have a piece of paper and a pencil. So when you have that, press pause and complete the do now. And when you finish, press unpause. Okay, so have you finished? Let's go through. Number 1, what is 11 quarters as a mixed number? 2 3/4. Number 2, what is 5 halves as a mixed number? 2 1/2. Number 3, what is 1 1/4 as an improper fraction? 5 quarters. Number 4, what is 2 2/5 as an improper fraction? 12 fifths. And number 5, what is 4 5/6 as an improper fraction? It's 29 sixths. Okay, so today we are going to compare and order decimals. So first of all, let's take a look at our number line, and we are going to skip count. So let's do this together. We have 0, 1, 2 and 3. Between 0 and 1, it has been divided into how many equal parts? 4. Great. So 1 is equal to 1/4. Excellent. So let's say this together then. Are you ready? Let's go. 0, 1/4, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 4 quarters, 5 quarters, 6 quarters, 7 quarters, 8 quarters, 9 quarters, 10 quarters, 11 quarters, and 12 quarters. Good. Well done. So we said that as an improper fraction. We're going to skip count. So I'm going to say it and you're going to say the next one. Are you ready? Okay, go. 0, 2 quarters, 4 quarters, 6 quarters, 8 quarters, 10 quarters, 12 quarters. Well done. Great job. Okay, next, let's say mixed numbers. Okay, I'm going to say the 0 and you're going to say the next one. Are you ready? Okay, go. 0, 2 quarters, 4 quarters. Oh, sorry, we're doing mixed numbers, my mistake. We'll start again. 0, 2 quarters, 1, 1 2/4, 2, 2 2/4, 3. Fantastic. Great job. Okay, and lastly, let's count in decimals. Are you ready? Okay, I'll start with 0. 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. Great. Let's do that again. This time we're going to stop at 2 and then we're going to go backwards. Are you ready? Okay. I'm going to start with 0.25. Are you ready? Go. 0, 0.25, 0.75, 1.25, 1.75. Good. And back again. 2, 1.5, 1, 0.5, and 0. Fantastic. Great job. Well done, guys. Okay, next. How many numbers with 3 decimal places can you make? So with these 5 digits on your piece of paper, I would like you to write as many 5-digit numbers with 3 decimal places. Okay, you need 5 digits with 3 decimal places. Pause and then unpause when you've finished. How did you do? How many did you come up with? Let's take a look. Hold your paper up so I can see. Good. Okay, well, here, let me show you a few that I have come up with. Here we are. 10.235, 23.051, 51.302, 35.120. Can we say that 35.120 is a 5-digit number? Yeah, in this case, the 0 doesn't really count, does it? Because it's nothing. However, it would count if there was a digit after it, but there isn't a digit after it. So actually, this is a 4-digit number here. It's the same with this one. If there was a 0 here and a 1 here, we wouldn't be able to say that this would count because there would be a 0. But because here there's a 1 in front of it, we can say that this is a 5-digit number. Let's take a look at the 3s. What's the relationship between the 3s and how does the value of that digit change in different columns? So let's take a look. The 3 in the tens is 10 times greater than the 3 in the ones. The 3 in the hundredths is 10 times smaller than the 3 in the tenths. What about if the 3 is 2 columns away, if it's 2 place values away? What's the relationship then? Well done, yes. So the 3 in the hundredths is 100 times smaller than the 3 in the ones. Or we can say that the 3 in the ones is 100 times larger than the 3 in the hundredths. Good job, great. Let's describe these place values. So we can use these sentences here. I'm going to take the 2 here in the tenths. So the 2 is in the tenths column. The 2 represents 2 tenths. There are 2 tenths. So I'd like you to pause the video and I'd like you to say these sentences with the numbers highlighted. Unpause when you finish. Great job. Okay, let's move on. Right, here we have 2 numbers. Which has the greatest value and how do you know? So we have 15,023 15.023, absolutely not 15,000, 15.023 and 15.23. Which one has the greatest value? Tell me. Okay, and how do you know? Tell me. Yeah, what can you see? Well, in the first number, I can see that they have 3 decimal places. In the second number, I can see that it has 2 decimal places. But just because this has 3 decimal places, it doesn't make it the greatest number. So let's take a look. In the ones, well, they both have 1 ones. In the tenths, they both have 1 tenth. In the ones, there are 5 ones. If we look at the tenths, though, we can see that the second number has 2 tenths and the first number have 0 tenths. So therefore, this number, the second number, is greater. Now, we're going to use place value counters just to support this explanation. So you can try and draw them yourself. So you can write these digits and then underneath draw your place value counters. Are you ready? Okay, let's take a look. So we can see here, each one has 1 tens. we have 5 ones in both of them, and here there are 2 tenths. In the top number there are 0 tenths, so we know that the bottom number is greater. Okay, let's move on. Now we're going to play a game. So, let's see. As the numbers appear, decide which column to place them in to make a 5-digit number. So I'm going to reveal 5 digits. I've got a dice here, and it's a special dice. It's got numbers 0 to 9. Now, you need to decide which column to place the digits in, okay? But the target is to create the smallest number. So by the end, you'll have a 5-digit number and you want it to be as small as you can, okay? Now, as I call out each digit, you have to place them in either the tens, the ones, the tenths, the hundredths, or the thousandths column. And you can prepare something like this. I've drawn something like this in my book so that I'm ready. And when you're ready, unpause and we'll start. Don't forget, we're trying to create the smallest number, okay? Are you ready? All right, I'm going to play a swell. So, first one. 6. Where am I going to put that? Okay, so again, we don't know which other digits will come up, so you need to choose carefully. Okay, let's go. Ooh, 2. Next. 5. Oh, sorry, no. Sorry, that was 0, not 5. 6, 2, 0. Next one. And 9 is the 4th one. And 1. Right. So what did you get? I'm going to type in what I got so we can compare. Let's see. You ready? So I got 20.169. Who won? Yeah. Okay, let's try a second time. This time though, we are going to go for the largest number. So when I throw the dice, you've got to think about which digit you're going to place in which column. Remember to place the digit in the column as they appear, okay? So you don't know which digits you're going to get. And think about why you're placing that digit in that column and why you've chosen it, yeah? Remember, the aim is the largest, okay? So make those choices really carefully. You ready? Okay. 5. Okay, remember I need the largest one. Okay, I'm going to put that there. Next one, 7. Okay, next. 8. Oh, I wish I'd waited. Okay. Next. Okay, next 1. And the last one. 3. Okay. Mine was really close to being the largest. How did you go? All right, I'm going to type mine out. Let's see who has the largest. Are you ready? Here we go. So I have 57.813. Who won? Who had the largest number? Did you or did I? Okay. All right, we're going to play one more round. This time it's for the smallest number. Same rules. 5 digits, 1 digit per place. Choose really carefully as they appear. Make sure that you record before the next digit appears, okay? All right, here we go. Smallest number. Okay. First one, 5. Next one, 6. 9. Wow. Okay, remember smallest number, the smallest number possible. You've got 2 digits left again. 7. Think about your columns. And 2. Yes. Right. You ready to show me? Hold it up. Hold it still. Good. What did you get? Who had the smallest one? All right, I'm going to show you my one. You ready? Okay, I got this. Oh, sorry. So I got 27.659. Okay, well done. So who won this round? The top one or the bottom one? And how do you know? They got 54.916 and 54.961. So let's take a look. They both have 5 tens. They both have 4 ones. They both have 9 tenths. The bottom one has 6 hundredths. And the one has 100. So actually, I know that the bottom one has more hundredths. Therefore, it is the largest number and they won. So I can say that the top number has 100th and the bottom number has 6 hundredths. Or I could say, if I'm talking about all of the thousands, it has 916 thousandths. Whereas the bottom number has 961 thousandths. Okay, so let's take a look at the next page. Can you please rearrange the digits so that you've made the largest number possible? What changes would you make so that you could have the largest number? So press pause and make those changes. Press unpause and we'll check your answer. Okay, welcome back. Do you think you've made the largest number? Let's take a look. So put 9, the largest of all numbers in the place value that has the highest value. And then we have 6 of 96.541. Great, good job. So now we have the largest number. Right, your independent task. I'd like you to find the smallest and the largest numbers of these 5-digit numbers. When you finish, you can also do an extension. If you have a dice or an online dice roller, sorry, not a dicer roller, I'd like you to create the smallest and the largest 5-digit numbers with 3 decimal places, or largest 5-digit, I'll type that in, and then come back when you've finished. Okay, see you soon. Right, how did you do? Let's take a look. So the smallest number that you could have created was 10.678. Some of you might have written 1.678, but as we've said before, the 0 isn't worth anything in this case, and so therefore it would be a 4-digit number. Let's take a look at this one. We have 87.431. This one 23.569 and the largest 54.210. Now we said a 5-digit number, so actually does this one count? No, not really. So actually this is a 4-digit number, but if you have 53.201, that's fine. Okay, hope you enjoyed that lesson and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow again. Bye.